Next, see modulus of a complex number. What is it? Modulus of a complex number. The definition of the modulus of a complex number is the modulus of a complex number. The modulus of a complex number measures the distance of that number from the origin in the complex plane. What is it? The modulus of a complex number measures the distance of that number from the origin in the complex plane. Modulus is nothing but distance of the number from the origin in the complex plane. From the origin to the last point, then the distance is called modulus. Okay. We know that the complex number, let z is equal to x plus iy. We know that this is simply the hypotenuse of a right triangle. Hypotenuse of a right triangle with one side is x and another side is y. With one side of length is x and another side of length is y. What is modulus? The distance from the origin to the point is called a modulus. Now see the proper definition. See the definitions of the complex number in modulus. F z is equal to x plus iy. Then the modulus of z is denoted by modulus z and is defined by modulus z, which is equal to square root of x square plus y square. The definition says that we know that z is a complex number. The distance of the real part and imaginary part, that is from the origin. Okay. So z is a real number. Then modulus of a complex number is square root of x square plus y square and the modulus is denoted by modulus of z or determinant of z. Modulus is denoted by determinant of z. Okay. So modulus means we can write it as given complex number, take it a determinant. And the length is denoted by square root of x square plus y square. Now see some results. The result says that first one, for example, modulus of 12 minus 5i. Which is equal to square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Here real part is 12. So 12 square minus of, here minus. So minus of 5 square, or here it is plus, here plus y square. Y is here minus 5. So minus 5 square. there is no consider I term. There is no consider I term. Only consider the imaginary part, not a imaginary unit. So, modulus of 12 minus 5i, which is equal to square root of 12 square plus minus of 5 square, which is equal to square root of 12 squared is 144 minus 5 squared is plus 25, which is equal to square root of 169. Square root of 169. Square root of 169 value is 13. So, modulus of 12 minus 5i value is 13. See second result. See second result. Modulus of I, which is equal to square root of, here only imaginary part occur. Here only imaginary part occur. There is no a real part. There is no real part. So real part is 0. So x value is 0. So 0 square plus y squared. Imaginary coefficient of imaginary unit. That is imaginary part. Here imaginary unit I, coefficient is 1. So imaginary part is 1. So 1 square, which is equal to square root of 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, which is equal to square root of 1. So modulus of I, which is equal to 1. Modulus of I, which is equal to 1. See third one. See third example. Modulus minus 12i, which is equal to square root of, there is no real part, so 0 square plus imaginary part is here minus 12 the whole square, which is equal to 0 squared is 0 plus 144, which is equal to square root of 144. Square root of 144 value is 12. So modulus of minus 12y, which is equal to 12. See the fourth result. For example, modulus of 3, which is equal to, here only real part occur, imaginary part is 0. Here only real part occur, imaginary part is 0. So we can write it as square root of x squared is 3. So 3 squared is 9. So 3 square plus imaginary part is 0, which is equal to square root of 3 squared value is 9, which is equal to 3, which is equal to 3. So given real part means take it modulus, get finally same number, same real part. We get same real part. Okay. Next see properties of modulus of a complex number. What is it? Properties of a modulus of a complex number. Modulus properties. Next see modulus properties. Okay. See the first property. The first property is modulus of z is equal to modulus of z bar. What is it? Modulus of z is equal to modulus of z bar. And the second property is modulus of z1 plus z2, which is less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. It is very known property. The property name is called triangle inequality. The property name is called triangle inequality. What is triangle inequality? Modulus of z1 plus z2, which is less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. That is called triangle inequality. And then third property says modulus of z1 into z2, which is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Write it separate modulus. Product of modulus value which is equal to, write it separate modulus. And then fourth property says modulus of z1 minus z2, which is greater than or equal to modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2. What is it? Modulus of z1 minus z2, which is greater than or equal to modulus of modulus z1 minus modulus z2. Okay. And then fifth property, modulus of z1 by z2, which is equal to modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2. Write it in separate. What is this? Modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. Okay. Fifth property say that whole modulus of z1 by z2 equal to write in separate modulus. So modulus z1 divided by modulus z2. Here z2 value which is not equal to 0. Why here z2 not equal to 0? Already told you. What is that? Reason. Yeah, modulus of z2 value which is not equal to 0 means have it some result. Here equal to 0 means anything by divided by 0 is infinite. So only z2 value which is not equal to 0. And sixth property, modulus of z power n, which is equal to modulus z the whole power n. Like the whole bar term. As usual, same property. Where here n is an integer. N is an integer. And then seventh property, a real of z which is less than or equal to modulus of z. What is it? Real of z which is less than or equal to modulus of z. This property is also used in triangle inequality. Notice that eighth one, imaginary of z which is less than or equal to modulus of z. Imaginary of z which is less than or equal to modulus of z. Real part is also less than or equal to modulus of z, and imaginary is also less than or equal to modulus of z.